In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the A record in your GoDaddy domain portfolio DNS settings. If you need to point your domain to a specific server, updating the A record is one of the most important DNS changes you can make. The A record controls which IPv4 address your root domain connects to, so making sure this value is correct is essential for your website to load from the right server. To begin, log into your GoDaddy account and open your domain portfolio. This is where you can view and manage the domains connected to your account. Once you're inside, locate the domain you want to work with and open its DNS settings. Take your time here because DNS pages can contain several different record types, and it's important to edit the correct one. In the DNS records list, find the A record where the name field is shown as the @ symbol. This symbol represents the root version of your domain, meaning the main domain without any subdomain in front of it. For example, it applies to the primary version of your website address, rather than something like a blog or mail subdomain. Make sure you're selecting the A record with that exact name value before making any changes. Once you've found it, click Edit. In the value field, enter the target server IP address you want your domain to point to. This step tells GoDaddy where visitors should be directed when they type in your domain name. Be careful to enter the IP address exactly as provided, since even a small typo can send traffic to the wrong destination or prevent the site from loading properly. After entering the new IP address, click Save to apply the change. That's the entire update. Keep in mind that DNS changes may not take effect instantly. In some cases, the update can appear quickly, while in others, it may take a little time to fully propagate across the internet. If your website doesn't update right away, that's normal. Give it some time and then test the domain again. And that's how to update the A record for your root domain in GoDaddy DNS. If you follow these steps carefully, your domain should be pointed to the correct server with minimal issues.